In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on Sprout Social. Navigating the digital landscape of social media marketing requires not just creativity, but also efficiency and precision in timing. That's where Sprout Social comes into play, offering robust solutions to manage your social media presence effectively. Today, I'll be your guide through the process of scheduling posts on Sprout Social, ensuring your content hits the digital space exactly when you want it to. To start, let's open our web browsers and visit the Sprout Social homepage. You'll find it by typing Sprout Social Social Media Management Solutions into your search bar, or simply by following the provided link if you're watching this online. The homepage is your gateway to this powerful tool, displayed prominently with an inviting layout. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. This button typically resides in the upper right corner of the web page. Clicking it will take you to the next essential step of logging into your Sprout Social account. This step is crucial as it requires you to enter your login credentials, which includes your registered email and password. Be sure to fill in the right information to ensure a smooth login process. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. The Sprout Social dashboard is where the magic happens. It's the control room of your social media management. Clear, intuitive, and user-friendly, the dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of your account, from message management to analytics. Now we're moving to the core of today's guide, scheduling a post. Locate the publishing option from the dashboard menu. This is where all your content scheduling tools reside. Clicking this will open up a world of options for managing your posts across different platforms. Choosing the date for your scheduled post is the next step. With an easy to navigate calendar view, you can select the exact date you want your post to go live. Scheduling content in advance can greatly contribute to a well-oiled social media strategy, freeing up valuable time for you to engage with your audience or fine-tune other aspects of your marketing endeavors. After you've marked the date, it's time to draft your post. Whether it's an engaging question for your audience, an announcement, or sharing valuable content, what you post matters. Type your heart out and make sure your message aligns with your overall branding and marketing strategy. But wait, what's a good post without some eye-catching media? Yes, Sprout Social allows you to upload media directly to your posts. Browse through your files and select the one that best complements your message. Visuals boost engagement, so choosing the right image or video can make a significant difference. Now, when to post is the question. Timeliness can significantly impact the reach and engagement of your content. For this, Sprout Social offers a helpful feature. Auto schedule. This option takes the guesswork out of timing, allowing Sprout Social's algorithms to publish your post at an optimal time, maximizing visibility. Once you're happy with your setup, it's time to hit submit. This action queues your post for the selected time and date, making your life a bit easier as you no longer have to manually publish content. But there's one more layer of thoroughness that professionals adore: approval workflows. This feature is particularly beneficial in team environments, ensuring every post aligns with your brand's messaging and quality standards. To access this, click on the bell icon, which guides you to Publishing Approval. Here you can review, approve, or request edits for scheduled posts, adding an extra layer of scrutiny to your content. Lastly, to see everything in action or to make any final reviews, click on the View Post option. This lets you witness your scheduled post in its full glory, just as your audience will see it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to schedule posts on Sprout Social. This robust tool, with its user-centric design, simplifies social media management, making it approachable for veterans and newcomers alike. From drafting and adding visuals to scheduling and approvals, Sprout Social streamlines the workflow, allowing you to focus more on strategy and engagement. Remember, in the rapidly evolving realm of social media, consistency is key. Scheduling your posts ensures a steady stream of content, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to elevating your social media game with Sprout Social.